Welcome back to my channel. USA Cars Detail. The 2025 Honda FZX is here to redefine your expectations of a modern street bike with a blend of retro charm and cutting-edge technology. This motorcycle combines bold styling, powerful performance, and advanced features, making it a top choice for riders who want both style and substance. From the moment you lay eyes on the FZX, its rugged, muscular stance grabs attention. The bike features a sculpted fuel tank, sleek LED lighting, and a commanding presence on the road. The new model comes in a range of eye-catching colors, ensuring it suits every rider's personality while maintaining a premium appeal. Under the tank, the 2025 Honda FZX packs a refined 149 cubic centimeters air-cooled, fuel-injected engine that delivers smooth power and impressive efficiency. It produces around 12.4 PS of power and 13.6 Nm of torque, providing a perfect balance of performance for city rides and occasional highway runs. The engine is paired with a 5-speed gearbox, offering precise shifts for a seamless riding experience. Honda has tuned this engine for enhanced fuel economy, so you can enjoy longer rides without worrying about frequent refueling. Comfort and convenience are key highlights of the FZX. The upright riding position, wide handlebar, and well-cushioned single-piece seat ensure maximum comfort during long commutes. The suspension setup consists of telescopic front forks and a monoshock at the rear, which work together to absorb bumps and potholes effortlessly, giving you a plush and stable ride on all kinds of roads. Ground clearance and wheelbase are optimized for city agility while maintaining confidence on uneven surfaces. In terms of features, Honda has stepped up the game with the 2025 FZX. It now comes with a fully digital instrument cluster that displays essential ride data clearly, and Bluetooth connectivity has been added for call and SMS alerts right on your screen. The bike also supports turn-by-turn navigation, making it a perfect companion for urban riders. For safety, the FZX is equipped with a single-channel ABS, disc brakes on both ends, and grippy tubeless tires that offer excellent traction. LED headlamps, DRLs, and hazard lights ensure visibility in all conditions. One of the major attractions of the 2025 Honda FZX is its rugged yet premium design language. From the bash plate to the minimalistic rear end, everything screams adventure while keeping practicality intact. It's lightweight enough for easy maneuverability yet feels solid and planted during rides. Whether you're navigating through traffic or cruising on open roads, this bike promises confidence and control. Overall, the 2025 Honda FZX is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement for those who want to ride with style, comfort, and advanced tech features without compromising on performance. With its aggressive looks, efficient engine, and modern amenities, the FZX is ready to dominate the streets in 2025. So, if you're looking for a stylish yet practical commuter with a bold personality, the Honda FZX should definitely be on your wishlist.